Okay, now the brush is starting to get stiff. Okay, so I'll just let that do its thing, and then we'll start a second cup. And this is a little more interesting. This one has a 3D aspect to it. Is we can turn this into a foam. Okay, so when we were up there on the job this weekend, we were on penetrations. We do the usual 3-coursing, but we're using the same product. And all we're doing. Oh, and if you don't add any hot sauce, you got about a half hour, 45 minutes of wet time. Just the way it is in the bucket. And normally on a job, you wouldn't use the accelerator unless you're going up underneath stuff, and you can take your bucket, split it into smaller pails, and add hot sauce as you go. So you can kind of roll up underneath flashings and penetrations and whatnot, and have them cure. While the guys are catching up with their rollers, you don't have to wait till the next day or anything like that.
And that can be rolled or squeegee. You can use a 3/8 notch squeegee to push it out.
Flat roof, that's the best. The best is squeegee it out and back roll it.
Yeah.
You squeegee every day?
Pardon?
A couple a day?
I got one ingredient here that does have an odor to it.
What did you say?
Sorry.
A new